How to make your marriage better without talking about it. It's time to help a lover out. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more contents. Managing a healthy relationship with your partner can be quite tricky at times. As much as you may think you love your spouse, it takes only a second for a minor misunderstanding to ruin things. In this article, we will be sharing some tips on how to improve your marriage without talking about it. There are many ways to improve your marriage. Firstly, both the husband, as well as a wife, should be ready to save their marriage by setting aside their egos and giving their marriage a second chance. For a woman who wants to play a significant role in rejuvenating her marriage, she needs to introspect on how to be a better wife and improve your marriage. Problems might have arisen and with time, accumulated to such a large extent that it is high time you should do something to solve the issues, lest the relationship becomes frail. Many wives complain about husbands not giving them time. In such a case, you need to know what to do when your husband ignores you. It can be alarming to see your husband ignoring you. Fights between a husband and wife are very common, and they might be due to a lot of reasons. It can be due to financial problems, spouse cheating, carelessness, and a lot more. Let us find out ways to improve your marriage. Steps on how to improve your marriage without talking. Mind you, it can be quite hard improving your marriage without talking about it, as this is something completely that requires little to no communication. However, it is not impossible, and here we are to let you know ways to improve marriage. Spare some time to focus more on your spouse. One of the best ways of improving your marriage is by taking out some time and focusing on your spouse. You should take out some time from your busy schedule or give time to your spouse. This way, you will feel extremely positive about your partner and can carefully observe his actions and understand his way of thinking. This can be very helpful in improving marriages. Hug your spouse at least 6 times a day. This may seem childish, but this is probably one of the best ways to improve your marriage without talking about it. Hugging your partner a few times during the day will increase love between the two and help you feel relaxed as well. Hugging is the best way to connect with your spouse while there is no verbal communication in between. Focus on the positive side. While there must be a lot of negativity around the house due to the fighting and tension between you and your partner, it would be easier if you focus on the brighter side. You can spare a few moments and look at the good habits of your spouse rather than noticing and picking on the bad habits. This will not only improve the relationship between both of you, but it is also the best way to improve your marriage without talking about it. That's because you have to observe silently and then focus your energy on the positive aspects of your relationship and your spouse. Commit to an action which portrays love. Although it can be tough to put aside ego and focus on having a healthy relationship with your spouse, you need to know how to improve relationships. Think of something that you do that your spouse loves and commit to that gesture. That's it, and you do not need to say anything. You have to portray love through action. You can help your spouse in daily work, by running errands or maybe by giving your spouse a good massage at the end of a tiring day. So, after reading these ways, you must be clear about how to improve your marriage without talking about it. These quick and easy tips to make marriage better can prove to be highly effective. You must have now gotten the perfect idea about how to improve your marriage without talking about it. It is not easy to live in the same house when your relationship is falling apart. Yet, at the end of the day, it's all about love. And it is all about managing your setbacks and getting up once again. Just keep in mind that the best way to manage a healthy relationship is by keeping your egos aside and not fight on small issues. If you act maturely, love your spouse, are faithful to them, then it will be quite easy to manage your relationship. All marriages require compromise and sacrifice, as, without it, marriages do not work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.